Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week, brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, and I'm the project manager and marketing director. Each week, we talk about tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. This week, we're going to talk about how to create a luxury bathroom on a budget. Close your eyes and picture this. You're soaking in a beautiful deep bathtub, surrounded by bubbles and rose petals. You're enjoying the relaxing scent of lavender, and you feel pampered and decadent. Now open your eyes. Does your existing bathroom evoke those feelings? If not, it's time to change things up a bit. So let's talk about some of the ways that you can make your bathroom feel more luxurious and lavish. Now, the most important thing that I can tell you is that these upgrades should be for your ensuite bathroom or your main second bathroom. I don't recommend creating a luxury bathroom for the bathroom that the kids use or abuse, or even a guest bathroom that seldom ever gets used. If you want to create a relaxing spa-like luxury bathroom, it should be in your own personal space where you can truly treasure it and appreciate its value. Now, when it comes to lighting up your bathroom, our typical go-to is to install a light above the vanity. Some of them are quite blingy and do add a touch of luxury to a bathroom. However, most of them aren't much of an upgrade from builder's grade. Think like a designer when you're selecting your lighting for your luxury bathroom upgrade. Consider sconce lights on either side of your mirror at the vanity. This provides a real subtle ambiance. If you prefer the look of pot lights, position them above your tub or shower and above the vanity. They will serve both as task lights without getting in the way, and they'll also be part of your decor. Now, what's the point of a luxury bathroom if you're drying yourself off with thin, scratchy towels? Think about that luxury hotel bathroom again. The towels are plush, high quality, organic Egyptian cotton, fluffy, oversized, and soft. That's what you want to dry off with. Consider some soft greens and blues for a lavish spa feel. Have them monogrammed for that extra touch of decadence. And don't forget the heated towel rack. And what's the point of having luxury towels without having them heated? Consider installing a heated towel rack so your towels are warm and cozy all year round. Want to learn some more tips on how to have a luxury bathroom without breaking the bank? Check out my blog post. Just go to our website at www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Click on News and scroll down to 7 tips to create a luxury bathroom without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining us for this week's Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. Be sure to come back every week where we'll have more tips on general renovations. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next week.